Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our new build. This is a build that we didn't plan for. It was an accident. It's a 2014 Audi A7, my brother's car. The damage is not that big. We'll show you guys the video how it happened. We'll show you guys the video when we get to the shop, how the car looks like and what we're gonna do, what's the plan. But we're planning to fix it in 2 or 3 videos because it's not that big of the damage. We do have this car in the channel we posted about a year ago, vinyl wrapping from original color, which was gray, to matte black or satin black. I don't really remember, it's almost the same. But enjoy the video.
Alright, so here's the car. It did have front end damage right here. It was recent. I did fix it before, but this is the second time it got hit. And I just want to go through everything that's damaged, show you guys what's damaged and what can be fixed and what cannot. So I decided to fix this car and get it back on the road. So let's go and see all the damage. Most of the impact was in the wheel and it hit it right here. So it snapped this bracket right here on the knuckle. So here it is. So this is the tire rod. It came through with the bolt, so I'm gonna have to change this. I want to change the inner tie rod right here because it does look like it's a little bent. And then the whole knuckle is going. I'm getting a new fender. I got a new headlight because this headlight is damaged, as you guys can see right here. I'm gonna save all these computers and replace them with a new headlight. The wheel is good and bumper is torn. I'll have to order a new bumper. Hood is dent right here, so I have to take it to the shop and see if the guy could fix it. I have a guy who works on aluminum, but hopefully it could be fixed because these are expensive. They're around $1,000 used, so it would be nice if it could be fixed. The plan right now is to take everything apart, kind of get rid of the bad parts, so that when the new parts come in, I could just put them on and then assemble it back. Just got the bumper off. The new bumper that's gonna come in is gonna be bare. So I'm gonna save all these little trims right here. The caps, the grill, the bottom lip, and I have that cap too right there. So everything's gonna be transferred from here to the new one. So I have to hold on to that for a while. And then here, the damage is not that bad. All the plugs look good. Nothing really got damaged. The pump here is good. Radiator support is good. So this is how it comes right here. Let's see the other side. Is the same way. Yeah, but the front is good. So really only the damage was like right here like this. Oh, and this bracket, this is the headlight bracket. I'm gonna take it off and maybe try to fix it. There's a little crack right here. See if I could weld that together. If not, then I'll just order another one. It's no big deal. Yeah, so far that's it. All right guys, so I'm back on the Audi and I picked up 2 parts for now. The other parts are ordered and still waiting for them to be delivered. I got the fender and then the knuckle over there. So the plan is to change the knuckle. Probably keep this bearing here because that one was hit, so I don't really trust it. But if anything, I could change it later if this one's bad too. But the main thing is the knuckle. I'll change it. And then also the hood. I want to peel the hood because it's wrapped, and the reason is because this damage right here. So the guy who's gonna paint the car, he said he's able to fix this. So I want to peel all of it. That way he can work on it. And at the same time, I could see if it matches my fender. because it does look like it's same color as you see here, and then I peeled it a little bit here. It's kind of hard to tell, but that's why I want to peel it, and then I'll put it close to it and see if it actually matches. If it does, that'll be sweet for me. So let's go. Alright, check this out. So I did end up peeling the hood. It came off a little bit hard, but it did come off in one piece because it's a little bit cooler today. If it was warmer, I would have taken it out in the sun. Would have been a lot much easier, but that's fine. And check this out. I put the fender on. It's holding on one bolt just to see the color, and it looks like the color is pretty spot on. Yeah, so I got lucky with this fender. Now I don't have to paint this, I'll just have to fix the hood, paint the hood, and then paint the bumper, and that's it. Yeah, so that's gonna save a lot of time too. What's up guys, it's another day. We're back on the Audi. So far I fixed this bracket. So this tab was broken right here, I kind of melted it back on. That was broken as well. And this right here has some cracks in it. And also I just got the headlight in. So I'll open this and kind of try to fit it on. Alright, so here it is. All tabs are good. And also matches this one. I have to move all the computers from the other one. I still have it in the trunk. And also last time I couldn't finish this because I was missing this key right here. But I kind of made it myself, so this fits right here. And then I just welded a nut to this side. Now I could get a big socket with key on it and loosen up the axle. Yep. Alright, I just got the headlight on. This one looks a bit yellow because it's reflecting off of that cardboard. But check it out. Looks like everything works. Keep stepping on these. So I guess this is gonna be garbage. Now it's time to move on to that. I did install that bracket that I fixed right here. So this goes first. It's like a plastic bracket, and then you slide the headlight into it. But yeah, that's on, secured. So time to finish the snuggle. Alright, so the knuckle is out. This is where the damage was right here. And I ended up taking off the ball joint from here and installed it right there. I took off the sensor, put it there. So yeah, this is trash now. And now it's time to open up these boxes because I have the inner tie rods right there and the outer as well. So I'm gonna need that to install it there. So let's get it. What's in the packages? I got my right side blinker, reflector, whatever you want to call it. And then I got the inner and outer tie rods. They came as a set, complete, that's why I kind of bought them. And it was same price as getting one side, so I just went for it. And then the bumper does have some damage. This is low, but it's fixable. And this will need to be reinforced right there. But this is all covered anyways. But other than that, everything's good. All these tabs are good. So that's what matters mostly here inside.
Right guys, this is a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and stay tuned for the next video coming. Will be painting the car, vinyl wrapping, putting all together. So basically gotta make this car look the same like before the accident. So catch you guys later.